Well, I'm Chris Peterson, and I'm the owner of Peterson Law Group. We've been in business since October of 2008, but I've been practicing law since 1996. Well, I think the most important thing that AgniTEK does for us is, one, we don't have to worry about whether things are operating correctly because they have the ability to monitor every single computer and our server at all times. The second most important thing, which I think is the lesson that everybody in Texas learned from Hurricane Katrina and Rita, is you have to have the ability to protect your data in cases of natural disaster or something happening, and have the ability to be up and running as a law firm within a very short time period so you can still service all of your clients. Not only do they manage our server for us, they also back up all of our data nightly, both on-site and off-site. In addition to that, our off-site backup is backed up to 3 different locations off of their premises as well. So we know, and our clients know actually, I mean we put it on our website, that if something were to happen in Bryan College Station area and we couldn't practice law or something happened with our server, none of their information would be lost, and we would be able to move off-site and basically be up and running as full-service law firm again within about a 12-hour time period. If there's a problem with our backup, and in fact one of them took place just this week, AgniTEK caught it because they got alerted to it. Before I even got to the office in the morning, they had logged in, re-backed up, fixed the problem, and re-backed up our whole system to make sure that we had a within 24 hours backup. AgniTEK's support staff is our backup to our backup. I had a law firm previously to starting this firm and had law partners, and one of the things that we continually disagreed about was where to go with technology. What we used to do in our old firm was I would run, since I was the guy that actually knew something about computers, is a security update would come from one of our software vendors or from Microsoft or whoever it was, and I'd have to run from computer to computer to make sure that everybody had actually installed their software update. With ManageIt, not only do I not have to run from everybody's computer, but no one in my office has to be responsible for making sure that updates take place. So one of the things I did when we started Peterson Law Group with the other 2 attorneys that I brought along with me is we immediately said, okay, now that I'm the sole owner, we're going to do it my way. And so we went totally technology driven, got rid of the filing cabinets. We had a whole storage units full of old client documents. We had so many filing cabinets it just would make your head spin. We had 5 attorneys, and so it just paper just inundated us constantly. We went back and actually scanned in our documents that we had taken with us from the old firm from my previous basically 10 years of law practice. AgniTEK set it up so that everything has full text indexing and full text searching. So even for like our old clients, where we scanned in their file as just one big document, essentially, we can still search through any piece of that document or any document in that file, no matter how big it is. It's much easier to pay to justify lease space for a hard drive server than it is to have rooms and rooms full of nothing but file cabinets and documents. The other thing that we are constantly dealing with, which is part of our Fortis online database system, is how to manage email. One of the best things for us has been with our online document system to be able to take all of that information in Fortis and assign it to client files and have it seamlessly go into those client files so that anybody can access that particular email. Even if somebody misfiles it accidentally within the system itself, it can still be found, which it can be found in like 30 seconds, as opposed to you looking through every file in your office for the next 4 weeks trying to find the document that got misfiled.